This is Guangzhou Olga Electronic Technology Co. Limited. With the Olga and CN360 brands, we produce LED automotive lights with full traceability, from incoming materials to final shipment. Before production starts, our QC team inspects key materials, records the result, and only approved parts are stocked for use.
Today, let's take a quick look at our production process for our LED headlight bulb. Let's go.
Welding power supply board. Welding power cord. Assembly and power on test. Assemble the lamp body. 2 hours aging test for each bulb. Catches issues early, cuts after sales risk. For OEM or ODM orders, we support laser logo marking to match your brand's and market needs. High-quality custom packaging, standardized process, clear labels, easy to receive and store. From incoming inspection to final QC, quality comes first at every step. Buying LED car lights, choose OGA, choose reliability.